there's a possibility I might have to go outside to pee. Well, good morning. I can still say that because it is still morning. It's 11:42. Well, as I said, it is still morning. Not for much longer though. And I just stopped off and got a coffee from McDonald's, iced coffee. I don't drink hot coffee. I'm on my way home. Might stop at a different McDonald's and see if they have any McRibs, since it is McRib season. So why am I on my way home? Because I'm done with my work for the day. I'm gonna go home and do what I want to do. Because tomorrow's my birthday, so I'm getting to do what I want to do today too. My battery's about to die. I'm back. Battery change, still driving. Not much further up the road. Beautiful clouds today, blue sky. So, and it's cooler today, so I can mention that. Maybe I'll go for a walk, who knows? Or maybe it's gonna get hotter, who knows? But I haven't had breakfast, I haven't had lunch, so I'm gonna try and find a McRib. And if I can't find a McRib, I don't know what I'm going to do. Only 8,000 of the 14,000 McDonald's are going to have McRibs this season. And there was reduced availability supposedly last year too, but I was able to find McRibs everywhere. So I don't know what's going to happen this year. Hopefully, since it's my birthday tomorrow, I'll be able to find them so I can have a McRib for lunch tomorrow. I don't know. I just like them. Judge me all you want. Well, it looks like I've hit the city at just after noon, and I haven't been along here this early before. It looks like there's no traffic, which is awesome. That means I get home sooner. Yay for me! Well, this is gonna take a while. I think I just got here at the lunch rush. Disappointingly, no McRib. So I'm trying the new quarter pounder. Supposedly thicker and juicier. If that's a good thing. Maybe it is. Who knows? Gonna try it and find out. Maybe I can find a McRib tomorrow. I haven't seen any on the McRib locator here in Arizona though. Maybe they're coming here later. I don't remember them ever being here this early before. I thought it was usually around like Thanksgiving time. But who knows? Lucy, what do you want? What do you want? I think Lucy's been lonely today. Oh, Lucy. Here, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Lucy. Want that ball? Arr. Oh, hold on a second. It's doing something weird. I don't know what it's doing. It's not focusing. Focus on Lucy. Oh, there it is. There you go. We should go outside, Lucy. Hey, Willow. Willow, shall we go outside? What does Willow say? What does Willow say? Willow, how's your ear today? Is your ear cleaner? Well, I'm outside. If you can't tell, it's sunny out. Kind of all squinty. and reflection-y. And puppies are laying out in the grass. Why would they want to be doing that? See? I think I'm gonna cut the grass, or at least start cutting the grass, because I imagine it'll get all sweaty. So I'll do it until I start to get sweaty, and then I won't. I need to do something today, tomorrow, someday. Something other than just same old, same old. So maybe we'll figure something out. Well, I've finally uploaded a video that I had finished editing last night. I'm gonna get to work on editing, try and get at least another couple done tonight. I gotta get caught up. I'm way behind. Can't let myself do this anymore. And watching a little bit of YouTube. And Vanessa just got home and she brought me pie. I'm so lucky. I think this one's appleberry or something. It's from Marie Callender's. See? A little bit of whipped cream on there, but it looks nice and very delicious. So I'm gonna scarf that. Well, no, I'm not gonna scarf it down. I'm gonna savor it because it looks delicious. And then back to loading up some video and editing. And then might go out to dinner tonight as sort of a pre-birthday dinner. It's not gonna count as my birthday dinner because I want my birthday dinner on my birthday. And then I don't know what else. Probably nothing, although it is nice out, so maybe I'll go for a walk tonight or something. We will see what we will see. Why, yes, this is my second piece of pie. Don't judge me. This one's peach. And it's kind of good. I like it. What the hell was that freaky long tongue action in that last clip? That was crazy. I don't know. Oh, man. Have I told you how weird Lucy and Willow are? If I haven't, well, they are. They're just weird, especially Willow. Oh man, the sun. The sun. Let me turn around. Oh, that can be in your eyes. Look at this. I'm all done with cutting the grass and the weed whacking. And I didn't need to charge the weed whacker or the lawnmower in the middle. So that's awesome. And I did all the weed whacking and I didn't even get sweaty. I think it cooled off quite a bit. Even with the sun, I didn't get sweaty. So kudos to you, Mr. Sun and Mr. Cloud or Miss Cloud or whoever you are. Oh. So that means tomorrow on my birthday I don't have to do any mowing of the lawn or any weed whacking. I can just come out here and enjoy the yard and not think, I need to cut the grass. My lens is so dusty. I hope it's not inside like everybody else says happens. I think there's some on the inside. Why does that happen? That's not sealed very well. Willow, why are you by the door? Out for dinner under the blue sky. No, that's just a painted ceiling. We're having Mexican at Abuelo's, the Mexican Food Embassy. I think that's what they're calling it these days. We got a trio of salsa and some chips to start, and unlimited gameplay for $1.99. Woohoo! We are full. Are you full? Are you hiding? Oh, Vanessa. We ate all the food here. Don't come. It's all gone. We ate it all. Now we go home. It's me again. So we went to the mall. So there's that. I went to the Apple store just for kicks, and nothing had any prices on it. I don't think you can buy anything right now, because I think it's all like pre-order and not available yet and all that stuff. They're waiting to do a big event so everybody lines up. And then I went by the Microsoft store and there was nobody in there, of course. And we went to Brookstone because they have a new location and it was awesome, but they were all out of BB-8s. I suppose everywhere is. And Vanessa's waiting to show me her lipstick that she got. She spent half an hour or more
20 minutes
in the Sephora store. 15 minutes of which she said she was going to be right out. Oh well. Okay. There's the new lipstick. I think she put on a lot.
No, I didn't.
A lot just for this occasion. What do you think of the color? Does it suit my forehead?
It does. It's perfect.
Yeah, so mall, I sat around while she was in buying whatever it was she bought, and then she got some free stuff. I think the lipstick was free.
Yeah.
So that's going to be it for today. Not a lot of content today, and just stuff around the house and driving. So not real interesting. I'm sure you're sick of seeing me just sitting around the house on my spot on the couch, which I'm kind of sick of too, but not much I can do about that right now. So I'm just gonna sit here. We'll maybe watch a movie or something, and I'll do some editing, try and catch up on the videos, and then you won't have to hear me talking about trying to catch up on videos anymore. And tomorrow's my birthday.
Happy birthday!
I'll see you tomorrow. Sorry about that. Had to sneeze. I'll see you tomorrow.